AI Chatgpt has taken the world by storm, but it looks like more powerful successor is just around the corner. Introducing GPT-4, the next large language model in the GPT series. According to Microsoft Germany's CTO Andreas Braun, GPT-4 is apparently coming next week, and we couldn't be more excited. At an event on Thursday, March 9th, Braun announced that GPT-4 will boost multimodal capabilities, including the ability to turn text into video. That's right, video. This is not the first time we have heard about text-to-video generators. Meta and Google both revealed their own versions last autumn, but GPT-4 is set to take things to the next level. Microsoft is holding a special event next week on Thursday, March 16, where they will showcase the future of AI, including GPT-4 and how it will work in productivity apps like Teams, Word, and Outlook. And who will be there? None other than Satya Nadella, the tech giant boss. So, what can GPT-4 actually do? If it's anything like the tech shown off by Google and Meta, it will be able to create short videos based on rough text descriptions of a scene. It will also boost the resolution of the clips using other AI models to make them look clearer. Now, these systems have their limits. The videos they create tend to look artificial, with blurred subjects and distorted animation, and they lack sound. But making the jump from current image generating AI to video is a pretty big advancement in and of itself. As Meta CEO Mark Zuckerberg previously explained, it's much harder to generate video than photos because beyond correctly generating each pixel, the system also has to predict how they will change over time. So what exactly are languages models? They are algorithms that can recognize, summarize, and generate text based on knowledge gained from large data sets, including info scraped from websites such as Wikipedia. These training data components are known as parameters and essentially indicate the skill of the model on a problem, such as generating text. The largest model in GPT 3.5 has 175 million parameters. By comparison, GPT-4 is set to be even more powerful with even more parameters. With GPT-4 on the horizon, the future of AI looks brighter than ever. We can't wait to see what it can do.